What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and today's video, guys, is all about this crypto here called Ethereum, which has been dropping in value quite a bit over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 10% down, making it about 1,386. As you can see, consistently dropping in value throughout the day, and even right now it has taken more of a drop. So where is this crypto heading to? Is it time to buy the dip? Is it going to drop further? Is it time to sell? Is it time to hold? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at, as usual, its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how far Ethereum can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can take part in by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website right now, and as you can see, the market is down just about 5%, which is quite major. Yes, last week was a good week. Everything was, most cryptos were pumping up in value, gaining a decent amount of value. But since yesterday, it's been dropping, and yeah, still ongoing at the moment. Over the last hour itself, it managed to drop 1%. Over the last day, 9%. Over the week, 11%. And over the month, it is up 12%. But as you can see, we are slowly and steadily starting to drop back down in value. So let's have a look. We are on the CoinMarketCap website, and we got the trading volume has gone up by 10% in the last 24 hours, making it $20.1 billion, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and a lot of people buying the dip. As you can see here, 89% buy against 11% sell. So a lot of people are holding on to it and just, investing more and more into it as it's taking a dip. And yeah, it is a good thing because I'm investing into Ethereum and I'm holding on to it for the long run as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart, and I've got the Fibonacci scale here, which I'm going to be drawing right now, but I'm going to be using this later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the usual MACD indicator, SMA indicator here at the top, which is the purple line, currently valuing Ethereum at 1,308.54. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at 1,387. More or less, it's fluctuating as its average value, meaning it's performing like it's meant to. Nothing too positive or negative on this crypto right now. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We literally got the blue line and the orange line. Well, it looks like they are going in a straight line, but the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning very minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting a slight drop on Ethereum, potentially dropping to about 1,360 to 1,340 is what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy, but again, peaks are always part of the process as well. We are going to see a dip, we are going to see a peak as well, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side, but again, it is going to be very, very minimal. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, as you can see here, we've got the blue line and the orange line in this case, literally flat out going in a straight line. The only reason for that is, as you can see, it's been very volatile, up and then right now dropping back down in value. So more or less, it's been fluctuating at the current price range for the last, let's have a look, since about the 19th. So for about a week. Yes, it has peaked up in value, but right now it's back to where it was about a week ago. So more or less, guys, over the coming days, so towards the end of this week, I am expecting it to fluctuate around 1,300 to 1,400, somewhere in between there. But again, it doesn't mean it has to be exactly within that price target. Again, we are going to see a dip, we are going to see peak as well. It's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the neutral side. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Well, quite an interesting one here, guys. We've got the blue line looking negative and the orange line looking positive. So essentially, we've got two lines going in opposite directions, meaning yes, it's going to be very volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the slightly more on the positive side, potentially heading to about the $2,000 mark is what I'm expecting by late August to early September. But again, it's still very early to judge on what's going to happen in the next month and a half to 2 months, because anything can happen to the crypto market. Bitcoin especially has been very volatile since the start of 2022, but again, more or less it's been dropping in a negative direction. Hopefully we should be able to recover. Again, if Bitcoin drops to 10k 15k, it's going to have a major impact not just on Ethereum and Bitcoin, but the whole crypto market in general. Likewise, if it does pump up to about 35-40k, it's going to again have a positive impact on the crypto market. So yeah, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on whatever happens. But something like a major bull run or a major price crash, these things are not expected. You can't predict them. So obviously these things will have a major impact on my predictions as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we are on the daily chart and we did go into the from the red zone into the green zone a couple of days ago, about a week ago, fluctuated, and right now dropping back down to its resistance target of, let's have a look here, 1360. We are very close, so I'm expecting it to more or less fluctuate at this resistance target over the next couple of days. Yes, it's going to go to the green zone, red zone, up and down, but more or less it's going to be resisting at this point here, because that's what this line is there for. Again, it's going to struggle to drop down, but it's also going to struggle to hit this target here and then pick back up in value. So yeah, is going to be quite volatile, up and down, fluctuating between the red and the green zone, but hopefully over the long run, over the next couple of weeks and months, we should be able to move in a positive direction. And also, guys, obviously you guys know Bitcoin has a major impact on most of the cryptos out there moving in a bullish and bearish direction. So if you guys want to keep on top of things, what I've done to make it easier for you guys is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit. So you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So again, what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I show you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, what to predict, what to expect, and so on. And I give you guys analysis and predictions on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. And now back to Ethereum. Again, I've covered most of the things here. We've done our predictions and our technical analysis. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your predictions are on Ethereum. How high or how low are you guys predicting Ethereum to go in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.